Well, my personal perception, I'm gonna come and say, hey, brother, this is how you doing today? Is everything okay? I always wanna make sure everything is okay. I wanna give the group an opportunity to show me a different side. Once they show me a different side, then I know how to deal with that situation appropriately. But I'm not gonna go into it half cocked, like, hey, I want everybody to put their hands on, turn around right back on the wall. First of all, I'm by myself. Even if I had a partner, I'm looking at this, no, this is find out what's going on first. So once again, perception, but also experience, maturity, and working in the community. I don't live out in Timbuktu, I live in Inglewood. The person who killed my son lived in Inglewood. I don't have a desire to move away to try to escape this madness. I'm boots on the ground, and that's why I'm here today, because I care. And I sincerely love everybody out there under my voice, and I don't want no parent to have to go through what I've been through with the loss of my only son.